The next thing we're going to do is look at combining what we've created here with the character moving and the beats. I'm going to speed this up, so I'm going to bring it down to 0.2 again. We're going to combine this with an effect to our sprite. And remember, our sprite is the character, so in this case the cat. So I'm going to go across to looks, and I'm going to go to change color effect. Click and drag that in. I'm going to go back to control, and I'm going to drag in when space key is pressed, which we used a couple of videos ago. So pretty much here, change color effect by 25 means that when I click on this, it's going to change the color of the sprite. So you can see when I click, the sprite's color changes. Now if I want to play around with the type of color that it changes to, I simply need to, as usual, change the value. So now change color by 5, and I'm going to get very small changes. So it's very gradual, from red very gradually down to yellow. I put that back up to 25, you notice that the changes jump a lot quicker. Now the great thing about this is that I have, when green flag is clicked, it's going to do what it did in the last video, but I now also have it where, whilst that's happening, I can do a second thing, and that's this second one that we've created here. So when space is pressed, change the color. So when I click on the flag, we get our movement with the sound, only repeating 5 times. So I'm actually going to make that 10, so we got a bit longer. And then we press spacebar while this is running. So you notice that whilst this sequence here is taking place, and repeating 10 times, I'm also able to press spacebar and run this second block of code that we have, which changes the color. So we have 2 separate things taking place at the same time.